Hi friends, Tom Wilmot here for the amazing Zealander Fly Trap Trading Strategy, and we're reviewing the figures from our book. This happens to be figure 2, and it's a weekly chart of the euro and the USD. Now we've expanded it to the weekly level so that you could see clearly what happened after a very important interest rate announcement by the ECB, the European Central Bank. In fact, this dotted line represents the beginning of 2014, and you can see that between the dotted lines is 1 year, 52 weeks of trading activity. And you can see clearly that in May of 2014, we'd reached a peak around $1.40 per euro. So that's the buying pair is the US dollar, and it's buying a euro, and it cost $1.40 at this particular period in time. That was our bid price. And it fell all the way to $1.05 during that 9 months from May into December, January of the following year, 2015. Now, what happened? Well, Draghi appeared at the ECB news conference on this particular day, and I actually remember it well, and announced that they were going to begin in Europe quantitative easing. They were doing their best to stimulate the economy because it was really in tough shape, 25% unemployment, no banks were lending money, and so on, banking crises, lots of tests of bank strength, and so forth. And there was a need, according to Draghi, for them to begin buying bonds with the ECB. This ended up being a huge debate in Germany and across the continent, with the northern countries pitted against the southern countries. All of the issues revolving around Greek departure from the ECB, the European Union, and so forth. So, in any event, you can see as interest rate policy eased up and as money became cheaper and cheaper, and as the ECB bought bonds, look what happened to the value of the euro over a period of just 9 months. 40% drop in value, down into this area when we began to think maybe even we'd reach parity or 1-to-1. So that's the notion that we want to keep in mind. Interest rates drive currency valuations, and we'll be talking a lot more about that as we review all of the fundamental announcements through our blog and our YouTube channel. Hope that helps. See you in the next video.